Hey guys, how's it going? Now, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20 basically marks the entry of Samsung's latest flagships in the Android world. It comes with the flagship features like a great camera and the S Pen and a lot more. But it is that camera that we'll be talking about today. Whether you're a new user or an experienced user, the camera experience can get quite tough at times, and that's what this video is all about. Hey guys, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and today I'll be talking about 7 super easy and super cool tips and tricks for the camera UI that every Galaxy Note 20 user should know about. Let's get started. Now the highlight of any Note device is obviously the S Pen, and as such, S Pen offers a lot of gestures for your camera UI. To see all the S Pen's supported gestures, head over to Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, Air Actions, and then tap on Camera. All the supported gestures will be displayed right there. You can click on the pen button to capture a photo, cycle through the different camera modes, switch to the rear camera from the selfie camera, or even tweak the zoom with the S Pen. Isn't that great? Now, did you know that you can even connect a Bluetooth mic to your device to make use of different recording devices? Yeah, the Note 20 comes with support for up to 5 different kind of mics to easily make use of the recording capabilities in the Pro mode. To find these options, open the Pro video mode and tap on the audio options on the far left. Now pick the appropriate option from the menu and get going. You can easily specify the volume of the audio as well via the meter at the bottom. Now the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra come with both OIS and EIS that both work in sync with one another while recording a video. However, if you want to achieve truly stable footage, the phone also comes with a super steady or the super stable mode that you can use to make your videos look as if they were shot on a gimbal. To enable it, simply tap on the hand-shaped icon at the top as shown here. Now all your videos will be super smooth like it's being shot on a gimbal of some kind. Okay, so do you prefer a warmer tone for your selfies? Well, if that's the case, you should definitely check out the Selfie Tone feature in the Galaxy Note 20. To enable it, just head over to Settings, Selfie Tone, and select the color tone of your choice. Okay, so it is 2020 and motion photos don't need any introduction. They were introduced by Apple, then later on brought on by Google Pixel, and now basically every phone has a new variation of it and they could just call it a different thing. But basically what it does is that it captures a small portion when you click the shutter button. So a couple of seconds, maybe 1 to 2 seconds, and you get a wider frame of basically what is happening, to get the idea of the action that's happening. Now to enable it, simply tap on the little square icon on the left side. Now to watch motion photos in play, open the photo via gallery and tap on the view motion photo option. Furthermore, you can scroll to the location which you like the most and tap on the screenshot button to save a single JPEG of it. Or even create a GIF of the motion photo and share it with your friends. Cool, right? Okay, now with the Galaxy S20 and the S20 Ultra, single take was one of the most talked about features. With the Note 20 series, the feature comes back with even more tricks up its sleeve, allowing you to actually modify its settings quite a lot. So on the Note 20 series, you can now specify the period. Let's say if you want to wrap up the recording mode in just 5 seconds, tap on the little timer on the lower right corner and drag the slider right. Single take can go up to 15 seconds. Other than that, the feature has the same magic where it will automatically generate images and videos from the raw snippet that you capture. Now with the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra's camera, you can skip installing document scanning apps. Heck, the feature comes pre-installed but pre-available inside the camera UI. To do so, head over to the camera settings, then tap on Scene Optimizer and switch on the option for a document scan. Now whenever the camera senses a document in front of it, it will show you a yellow scan button. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Also, if you have any other queries regarding the Galaxy Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra, make sure to comment down below. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.